So today I'm going to show you how to create a Google form, which is very easy. Now my Google Chrome's home page is open. So to get access to your Google form, you go to this the 9 dots, Google Apps, then you go down, then you can see forms. You click on it, then it takes you to the home page of Google Forms. So take for it, there are a lot of templates you can use, you can choose from. A lot of templates you can choose from. And also if you want to like start a blank form, you just click on blank form. That's it. So you can just title whatever it is. Just title it registration registration for work. So you can always name name. Then moving on, you can also to add a new one, just click on this plus and add question. So age, add a new one, qualifications. And so to make sure that everyone actually like answers it and they don't skip, you have to click on this required. So when you click on the required, you can see it's compulsory. The person must fill in the answer. But if you think it's not compulsory for them to fill in, you don't leave it on, you just turn it off. So that's how to create a Google form. Thank you very much.